getting dark on a very special day for Amy. It's her birthday, and how's she celebrating? A trip to the cinema. This massive cinema is one big light show. Amy's sister's straight off to the sweets.
So, what would you like?
How about these ones?
Okay.
Hello there, what would you like?
The biggest popcorn we've got.
It's a birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Would you like a drink with that?
Yeah, just a water, please.
Just a water. It's $5.95, please.
Come on, guys.
Thank
We're going
you.
to start the film.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There are light sources all along the family's path until the cinema screen.
Dad, I can't see. It's too dark.
It's okay, your eyes will get used to it in a little second. I'll hold your hand in the meantime. Come on.
Does this happen to you? When you go into the darkness, it's hard to see at first. After a minute, your eyes adjust. They let more light in, so you can see okay, even though it's dim. Behind the scenes, there's another very bright light source inside the projector. Mark's checking Amy's film. The film's a long ribbon of pictures. The pictures are pulled past the bright light. The light shines through the film, and this makes a picture or image on the screen in the cinema.
Amy, pass the popcorn.
Can't see. Can't see.
But what if something gets between the screen and your eyes?
Can't see.
The popcorn container's opaque. No light gets through it, and you can't see the screen.
Pass the water.
And the bottle? That's translucent. It lets some light through and changes it.
Sweet, please.
The sweet's translucent too. It lets some of the light through. Here's the film that Amy's watching. It's transparent, letting light through to make the image on the screen. And yes, Dad's opaque. No light gets through. Now that's what I call a birthday.